7 beats.
Alright guys, so I got a quick update on the roller. Look like that right there is coming out. So it's not looking good for it. It's about that time. On that note, I have a E58 gearbox LSD that's for sale. And I also have a 4AGE 20 valve blacktop head. Let me know if you guys are interested on that. But back to this. Time for this to come out, so let's get to it. You ready? See the shirt? We in what? February? This guy's rocking his shit.
My Christmas sweater.
That's it. You in the Christmas spirit, yeah. Right, fuck
day.
it. Fuck it. But back to this.
Strangers in a dark room, laughing at jokes they didn't quite hear. Frosted window panes and cheap champagne, a face appears. And anything could happen in these cathedrals we roam, where shadow people dance and trade their glance and walk home alone. Staring out the window of the Roosevelt Hotel.
Alright, so my coolant is pretty golden. I guess, right? Like that's all I could say. Like it ain't green.
She's kicking oil.
You know what I mean? It should look just like cooking oil. So we know that's a problem. But that's what our plans is, to just remove what we can, get the engine out, get it ready for something different, which very few people have done in this chassis. But that's all I can really say. So I'm gonna have to stay tuned and see. But we'll see what happens though. She's still draining. I don't know how good you guys can see that, but still there. My son over here rocking them sparkles. Ooh, see that shit. Sparkle was good. Holla at us, you know. We may need a pair. Like you see these ain't no racing sneakers. I need a pair. You know what I mean? Just email us, we'll let you know sizes. Quick update. Pretty much got everything out the way. Just a few more things, and then this puppy should be out of there. So
the car was on his, the motor was on his, I didn't even say the car. The motor was on his last leg. It's how old is the motor?
who knows?
Probably older than some of the viewers.
You get what I mean? So it's just crossed at 190,000, which is definitely not much for these Toyota's engines, but those that know me know that I was given licks.
This motor got a nice beat down. You know what I'm saying?
But you know, it was about that time it just decided to like,
He had his last days.
yeah, which is not a bad thing. You get what I mean? I know some people be like, damn, like, but it's not.
Comment below and guess what engine we putting in here.
Yeah. Let us know what you think. You know what I mean?
Let us know what you think. Let us know what you think we should put in here.
Yeah.
We're aiming around how much horses?
I don't know. You know what I mean? Like that's endless. You know what I mean? Like
I mean, what's your goal? I mean, you know, just so the people can have an idea.
my goal is
You know, you're gonna
whatever
get 2J,
makes,
2J everything.
my goal is whatever makes the freaking right foot happy. You get what I mean?
Okay.
So trust me, even with 90 horsepower, this thing was fun to drive. Work in progress.
That's your department, bro.
Facts.
I just found my flashlight.
See, good lighting. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, well, she's almost out, so don't mean to cut this short, but Shaq came through. You already guys know Chris. We out here as always. Probably next time you guys see this, it'll be nothing in the engine bay, so let's do it. Alright, she's out. Look at that.
That's the one that was making the noise,
Huh?
That's the one that was making the noise.
Yeah, that's the AC one. You hear it? And she's out. She's out of here.